5th gen again today. Just wanted to make a short video. These trucks have a factory high idle. Can't say that about the other companies, but to each their own. Just wanted to show you how to use it. I believe this works for the 5th gens, all the 4th gens, and some of the 3rd gens. I'm not real sure. But on the stick trucks, I believe you have to have the emergency brake set. On the automatics, you do not. Obviously, the stick trucks don't apply to the 5th gens, unfortunately. But just wanted to show you how it works, how to adjust it, and how to turn it back off again if you need to. Here we go. All right, so first off, we'll go ahead and start the truck. You can see there, we're just sitting on idle. But to enable the high idle, just come over here, hit the cruise button, and then the set button. Right up in the high idle it goes, and it'll stay there as long as you want, unless you hit the brakes or the cruise button again. Like, hit the brakes, right down it comes. Anywho, we'll bring that back up. And then say you need a little bit more, like you're jumping another truck or something of the sort, you can adjust the RPMs with your plus and minus buttons just by simply tapping it. It'll come up or go back down. And then just to turn it right back off, hit the cruise button again, back down to idle, good to go. For those who didn't know, I hope it helps. For those who did, it doesn't help to have a little reminder once in a while of the capabilities of your truck. Anywho, if you liked this video, make sure to comment, subscribe, tell me what you liked, what you didn't. Thanks for watching.